Hey guys, welcome back to Hanaa Hacks AI. Today we are going to learn how to turn audio and video into text in seconds. Yes, literally seconds. The tool we are going to learn is Turboscribe. So whether you're doing an interview or you're in a meeting, all you have to do is record your meetings and upload that file into Turboscribe, and it will give you the full text along with the timestamp. So you don't need to be writing or typing anything. So let's get cracking. As you can see, you will need to go to this website called turboscribe.ai, and then in the free account you can upload up to 3 files per day, and then each is about 30 minutes long. So let's start transcribing for free. Right, so once you log in, you will be coming to a page similar to this one, and it will ask you to transcribe your files. So you click on this button and you will drag and drop any of the file that you want to transcribe. Once your file has been uploaded, you're going to choose the language that the file is in, and of course the transcription mode. Now if you want something very fast, you can click on fastest, but if you want something very accurate, I would suggest going for the whale one because it's quite accurate. And then you click on transcribe. Well, once it's done with the transcription, the status here will become green and it will say transcript complete, and all you have to do is click on it. A very simple tool on how you can take your audio file or even your video file and convert that into text. And let me know if you are going to use any other app that you found exciting. Thank you for watching.